Hello and welcome to my free course about launching your own private label brand using Amazon FBA platform. My name is Eric. In this course I will show you exactly step by step how you can launch your own private label brand on Amazon by leveraging Fulfillment by Amazon program. I have over 7 years of experience in e-commerce, and I have launched tens of different private label products on and off Amazon Marketplace. Besides launching a brand on Amazon, I focus on building a fan base around the brands to external marketing strategies that will show you in this course. Now if you already have a private label product live on Amazon, then still you're going to learn some great new strategies to take it to the next level. In this introduction lecture I want to briefly explain how this course is structured and how you should study it. Keep in mind that you can always contact me if you need any help, or if you have any questions you can leave me a comment in the description below. But first I want to cover who shouldn't take this course. If you want to do retail or online arbitrage, drop shipping, selling apps, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, then this course is not for you. This course is only about developing own physical product brands and distributing it through Amazon and other e-commerce channels. Also, if you're expecting to earn a substantial amount of money without investing time, energy, and commitment, then please don't take this course. Private labeling is not easy, but it's the most rewarding way of online selling available currently. If you expect to get rich quickly overnight, then this course is not for you. Simply stop the video and leave. But if you're willing to commit the next few months, private labeling can turn into very profitable and scalable business that you can later even sell to other businesses for up to 30 times more than you make per month. Now this course has a lot of lectures. Simply because it's a complex subject, and also I always want to over-deliver and cover everything possible. The course is structured in a step-by-step way. First, you're going to learn how to set up your Amazon Seller Central account even if you don't live in the United States. Next, we are going to start with researching for potential products that are a great fit for Amazon FBA platform. Then we are going to find high-quality suppliers for these new products. I will show you several proven ways to find suppliers overseas or locally in the United States. After that, we are going to work on developing your graphic identity for your brand, including how to correctly package and label your products for Amazon FBA. Then we are going to focus on fully optimizing your product listing page, and doing product listing as SEO to set you on the right track for ranking high on Amazon search results. Then once your inventory arrives at Amazon FBA centers, I'm going to guide you to getting social proof for your product with only legitimate and verified reviews. Then it's time to start marketing your product on and off Amazon with the main goal of driving highly targeted traffic to your product listing and increasing perceived value of your product so that customers will pay extra for your product. So again, remember, if you need any help or assistance, feel free to leave me a comment whenever you want, and I will make sure to respond as soon as possible with highly actionable steps. So enjoy the course.